Kuliko jana tuka perform in Congo in a stadium. One of our biggest show in the world that we've ever done is in Congo.
What? How many people?
Hey, it was like 25K, like just a lot of people outside, yani, like pandemonium. It was raining cats and dogs. People, nobody left. The show just went on. It was beautiful, man.
What?
Ish. I remember that day.
Oh man.
The energy, the atmosphere, the spirit. People just loved the music. It was